So I just finished my meeting with Magic Links. It went really well. I got a lot of insight and all that good stuff. You know. So now I'm about to make some chicken wings. These are like the easiest way to make chicken wings. I'm gonna show you guys my recipe, baby, because I love y'all. So we're here with, who is this? Jada Waiter. These poor chickens. You know, sometimes I feel bad for the chicken.
You want a better?
Yeah. This comedian was like, you know who Mike Epps is? Not Mike Epps. Cat Williams. You know who Cat Williams is? He's this comedian. You don't know?
No.
He's so funny. But anyways, he was like, how can you not believe in God? The most delicious bird, which is a chicken, right, doesn't fly. Like, it can, you know, but it doesn't really like fly. And he's like, imagine if God made the chickens where they were like, you know, like an eagle that's like flying away. You would never catch them. You would starve. So he was like, how can you not believe in God? The most, you know, it's so easy to catch. And he was like, you know how they're like, there's a wing shortage? And he's like, make this make sense. So a chicken has 2 wings and 2 thighs. So how do they have so many thighs but no wings?
Yeah,
that was profound. Not true. So I was like, damn. Yeah, why do they have all these thighs? Is it because that a lot of people don't eat thighs? They mostly eat wings? Especially around football time, the wings are in demand. So we have the chicken wings. They're all clean. So I'm gonna go in with Mrs. Dash Original. Some paprika. So we're gonna use black pepper. We have some organic garlic powder. And then we love our Maggi. So, and I usually don't, it doesn't need a lot. So just add that. Then I'm just gonna grab a glove. I don't really like the feeling of touching like raw meat. I don't know why. Then I'm just going to blend everything together. So once like it is covered, I'm going to take this bad boy off. And then the secret weapon is bacon powder. So we're gonna put that all over. Should look like this. To straighten my hair, and I'm like, let me talk to y'all while I get on ready / get ready with my hair. I currently have clip-ins in. I'm tired of these clip-ins. I want like a really good sew-in, but I'm so particular about like my hair being sewn in. I would love if I could find someone that could do a bomb U-part wig for me. So if y'all are in the Jersey or, yeah, I want to say Jersey or New York area, Actually, no. Jersey area, let me know that you could do like a U-part, like a bomb U-part wig. Like it's so hard in my area to find someone that can do hair. Like, I found somebody that I loved and they were just like kind of shysty, so weird. And then now I'm just really particular, and I love the way she does. I'm about to call her. My hair is like natural, so it just like puffs up and I really cannot bother. Like, I just want to have a little bit. Actually, no, I do like a lot of leave out, but yeah. But anyways, I'm gonna straighten my hair, see if it stays. Today was such a productive day. I filmed 2 fashion videos. I'm also upgrading my phone because I noticed that the iPhone 13, the camera is a lot better. And yeah, like I thought like if you have an iPhone, you have an iPhone, like the cameras are fine. Like, I know they come out with like better HD whatever, but I thought like the camera will be like fine. But someone took a picture of me and they had the 13, and I was like, hold up, like my camera doesn't make me look like that. So I'm upgrading my phone. My laptop broke, so it's just like, baby, this is not the time to be spending money. We are going into a recession. I feel it. I feel it. I feel it. I feel it. I see the signs. So far, I feel like this year has like flown by. We're like almost halfway through the year, and it kind of scares me because I feel like so many things that I had planned, I'm still like working on it. It's not that I never started them or never like did them, but it's just like this year is just flying by. And I don't know if you guys get like this, where it gives you like, not anxiety, I don't have anxiety, but it's just like, oh my gosh, Makeda, like the year is almost done. And I understand, like, you know, everything is like a journey, everything's a process, and when everything is supposed to happen, it will happen. But I just been like feeling so like everything is super clear to me, and I'm just like, okay, what am I'm like just taking like an inventory and an evaluation of everything that's going on with me. And basically I write down, oh, let me tell you guys, if you're somebody that's like super reflective, I'm super reflective, whether it's like personal goals, business goals, personal life, and things like that. There's like just certain things that I write down now. It's just like a lot better. Don't be vented to nobody. Like, those days, actually you can, but for me those days are whatever. I just write everything down, so I reflect on, you know, my health, my wealth, my sleep, self-care, family, relationships, and all of that. And literally I'll just have like columns in my journal, and I will write down what worked, what didn't work, what can I improve on. And lately I feel like I'm in a place where I have the most important relationship you have to work on is like with yourself. And I feel like that's where I am, because I feel like the relationship you have for yourself sets the tone for the relationships you have with other people. And you know, I know a lot of people are like preaching about like self-love and boundaries and stuff, but it is so real. Boundaries are so real, self-love is so real, and the relationship you do have with yourself does set the tone for the relationships that you have with other people, you know. But anyways, I am in a place where, I don't know, like, it's not that I'm impatient, but I'm just in a place where like the relationships that I have, I am not someone where I'm literally gonna like ghost you or X you out of my life and not say anything. I think that's cruel, and I think that is like super rude. I don't know, like sometimes like all the closure you need is how someone treats you. I definitely believe in that, but I also am someone that if you, there's like levels to it, I should say. So yeah, if you're with somebody that is super abusive, get out of that. Like you do not need to have like a closer conversation. Like how they treated you definitely is the closure. But I think if you're in a situation where you're confused, and sometimes it's not that you're confused, sometimes it's just like, okay, if I can get closure, then like why not get closure? But I'm just in a space where I'm improving the relationship I have with myself, and the relationship I have with myself, I wanted to just be a little bit more harsher with like discipline. I want my boundaries to be a lot more stern, or like the brick wall of China. Is the wall of China brick, or what is it? I don't know what it is, but I want it to just be, I just want it to be super just on another level. And I think just on another level, I feel like I was talking to my aunt about this, and I was like, when I was in high school / middle school, like I didn't take no shit. Like I would just cut you off, and as I get older, I just give people a little bit more chances. A huge event like happened in my life. I didn't even vlog it, but something really big happened in my life, and I'm super proud of myself. And an old friend like reached out to me, and this person, like we were like the best of friends, like so close. And yo, this hair is bomb, but I want to sew in so bad. But anyways, we were like the best of friends, and she just put me in a position where I didn't even have anything to do with like all this drama. And one thing about me, I don't like drama. I like everything to be super peaceful. And she put me somewhere and mentioned my name in something that had nothing to do with me, and I was just thrown in. Basically, I was used as a connector because I knew the other party and they were trying to get into the other party, so they used like my phone, and I felt like that was like super like disrespectful and just like super rude to like put me in the sense of a like drama with this person that literally was off the hinges. And you know, a fight broke out, and that could have been me. I could have like been in the crossfire. And I feel like as a friend, if something doesn't have anything to do with me, why would you voluntarily put me in a situation that had nothing to do with me? That makes no sense. So that is something that I did not like, because I'm just like, if it was like something even more extreme, not that that wasn't extreme, then I could have been hurt, you know. And then what would you have said? Sorry? Okay, that's great that you would have said sorry, but now I have to kind of take the high road, and the high road is just like protecting myself kind of thing. So that's what I did. I just like ended the friendship like cold turkey. I didn't say anything. They reached out to me so many times, and I just told them like, hey, like this is how I feel. I don't trust the situation. And I would be completely like, not that I would be fake, but I would be fake if I'm literally sitting here hanging out with you. First of all, I wouldn't hang out with you. I would always make an excuse because I just don't feel safe with you. And I think that's like a big thing for me, like feeling safe with the people around me. And yeah, I just didn't feel safe with that person anymore. They reached out to me multiple times, and I was like a really good friend. I'm not the best of friend right now because I'm busy, but my friends know my heart. They know what it is. But back then, like I had time. So, and I think showing your like time and celebrating the people around you is like super important. Well, for me it is. It's like a love language for me. But yeah, and this person like reached out to me recently, and I was just like, yo, if people's parents and kids are doing them foul, a friendship, I'm not gonna let that be the the determination of my detriment. And I have to think like that because you just never know. And for you to be like such a really, really good friend to someone and then they just put you in the crossfires when it had nothing to do with you. Oh no. Like, I just don't need like friends like that, you know? And that relationship like really, really hurt me. But what could I do? There was nothing I could do. So I'm about to make some dinner. I will see you guys tomorrow.